Stocks our strategists feel are poised to deliver positive returns are featured now in their top stock picks of the week.
Picks from a couple of guys we don't see here often enough in this segment. David Boren and John Blank with me to favor everybody with their top picks for this week. Dave, this is your first time on this segment, right?
It is. Thanks for having me, Terry.
Welcome. You drew the short straw, so we'll go with you first. You've got a company called Genomic Health.
Yes, sir.
It's a biomedical company, right?
It is. I believe that the term game changer gets overused, and I try to avoid it because it's a cliche. I'm going to break my rule here. This is not just a game changer, this is a life changer.
Okay.
About 1.7 million people in this country get diagnosed with cancer every year. About a third of those people die from it. And the really worst part is that the course of treatment for all those people ends up being somewhat of a guess. Even the best oncologists with the most informed patients have to sort of poke around and see, should we do chemotherapy, should we do radiation? And so it just adds to the nightmare. This company, Genomic Health, has a very, very special targeted genomic test that can tell the oncologist exactly what kind of cancer it is, can tell the difference between a cancer that doesn't even need treatment, won't respond, and there's no reason to put a person through the torture, or a cancer that's probably going to kill the person if they don't have the most aggressive form of treatment. So they are literally changing people's lives in the most fundamentally important way.
Interesting.
I love tech. I love electric cars. I love alternative energy. All those things don't even matter if you're not healthy and alive.
True.
This is as important as it gets.
Okay. That is
well spoken.
Points all well taken, yeah. John, you've got somebody, or company rather, in the health arena, UnitedHealth Group, right?
Right. UnitedHealth Group, ticker UNH, Dow component. The one best performing Dow component. So part of why I like this, the Dow's been beat up. And this is sort of a technical thing. This is a stock that's going to, take you up as the Dow comes up. Now, it's a Zacks rank number 3, and people need to understand that's because they will report on July the 17th before the market opens, which is next week. And before an earnings report, analysts don't adjust their earnings very often. They wait for the earnings report. So it's a stale rank, and you know it's a stale rank because the Zacks industry rank is 33 out of 265, very high. Right, so they're going to join the 1s and 2s. And if you think I'm just making that up, let's turn to price consensus and EPS surprise for this company. I will put it up on the screen here. And what you see is from 2014 to 2015 to 2016 to 2017, the thing you want to see, which is that very stable annual upgrade to earnings and always going up year on year in earnings. So this is a very great buy and hold stock. It's huge upgrade in earning in the start of the year. But again, back to this flat profile. Very different than Genomic Health. No breakthroughs. They're selling services.
Right.
They're just big, and they're just growing, and they're just making earnings surprise after earnings surprise going back 5 years. So who cares? As a stock, you own it. It's dumb. It's stupid. It's boring. You're making money. Just go home and make money. That's what this stock's about.
And didn't I read that they are outperforming their industry?
They are. I mean, I put this in the large cap trader last week. We're already at 4%. The thing just goes up 8 ticks every other session, and you make 2% a week, make 8% a month, lose, and then it'll sink for a week. You can see the chart. It does stagger down every once in a while, but the trend is so incredibly stable. And with this earnings report, it would be the first earnings report, if it was a miss, in 6 years. If it would happen in next week. So the answer is there's almost no chance to have an earnings surprise in the negative sense.
Okay. Thank you both for that. Do either of you own either of these? You said large cap trader.
Yes.
Has your stock, do you own yours?
I do not own it personally, no.
Okay. Do you own John's?
Yes, I do. I love that stock.
Okay.
It's a good stock for a stock.
Full disclosure. What can I tell you? Thanks for that. And don't forget, more stock information always on our website, Zacks.com. Don't forget to go to the home page and start looking through it all, and then scroll down to the home page, hit the link that takes you to the podcast page. A lot more interesting information in that section of the website, Zacks.com. It's always on for you. With David and John, I'm Terry Ruffalo.